Hello, I'm Dr. Moonstien. I got another hand-built noise machine I'm gonna demo for you. This is a noise synth with a built-in delay. It's set up with some
soft touch arcade buttons. You can make circuit bent sounds, spaced out arcade noises, chiptune sounds. The arcade buttons are great, real sturdy. You can really get in there and mash them and pound out beats and stuff. Your main driver is a VCO and an LFO. Your actuators are the arcade buttons. The arcade buttons trigger the different octaves of the VCO. You got a volume for the synth. You have a volume for the delay and a toggle on off for the delay. So you can use those independently. The delay has a repeat knob and a delay time knob. When you turn the system on, the VCO is always on, but it's silent until you mash one of these buttons. So those are your actuators. Since the VCO is always running, you have a very small noise floor. It's not like a hum or a static like on a guitar or something. It's just a very light sine wave that you may or may not be able to hear. To actually really hear it, you have to crank the gain up to an unreasonable thing. But as I turn that all the way up, you can hear that running. If I was to hit one of the buttons right now, it would probably blow out my computer speakers or your computer speakers. But I turn that back down. So there's a little faint phantom noise that you'll hear when the button isn't pushed. But it's a small price for greatness. So I'll go ahead and demo the knobs and the sounds, and you can hear what it sounds like.
So I got the delay off. This VCO controls the main pitch. Kick on the LFO to affect the VCO. Turn on the delay. You get volume for the delay. You have volume for the synth. That's the on off for the delay. Picture right there. This is your time for the delay. This is your repeats knob. So it's all the way like one repeat. And that's infinite repeats.